Welcome back, guys. This is question 3.10, and the statement of this question is find an expression for the equivalent resistance of two resistors of value R in series. Okay, so this is part A of this question, and similarly we have three other parts which are B, C, and D. So let us first try to solve this part A, and here we are given that two resistors having the value R in connected in series. So let us have this one, this is R, and the other resistor which is in series with it is here. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to find an expression for the equivalent resistance. So if these two resistors are connected in series, so the equivalent resistance for the resistors connected in series is the sum of the resistors. So here we have two resistors, it will be R plus R, which, because if this is R1 and this is R2, so R1 plus R2, the values of them are R and R, so it is 2R. So this is for part A. In part B, find an expression for the equivalent resistance of n resistance and resistors of value R in series. So now we have the n number of resistors, okay, which are, let me start them from here. This is R, the other one here is another R, another one here is another R, up to the resistor which is R here, and this is R1, R2, R3, up to R of n. Okay, so these are the resistors. As these are again connected in series, so the R equivalent of it will be R1 plus R2 plus R3 up to Rn. Okay, so therefore all of them are R plus R up to this nth R. So therefore n time these are added, so it will be n of R. So this is R equivalent for this part B. This is for part A, this is for part B. In part C, using the results of A, okay, so this is the result of A, design a resistive network, work with an equivalent resistance of 3 kilo ohm. Okay, so the equivalent resistance given here is 3 kilo ohm. This is given using two resistors with the same value from Appendix H. Okay, so if the equivalent resistance here, okay, is what this is 3 kilo ohm, means R plus R, this is 3 kilo ohm, means 2R is what, that is 3 kilo ohm. So dividing both sides by this 2, what will be the value of R? So the value of R would be 1.5 kilo ohm, and that is basically the solution of it. So if the equivalent resistance is 3 kilo ohm and the two equal in value resistors are connected in series, what will be the value of each resistor? That is given here. Okay, you have seen it here. In part D, using the results of D, this is basically the result of D, design a resistive network, work with an equivalent resistance of 4 kilo ohm using a minimum number of identical resistors. Okay, so here this is part D, the equivalent resistance is given, that is 4 kilo ohm. Okay, so on the basis of it, we have to design a network with an equivalent resistance of 4K with the minimum number of identical resistors. Okay, so what will be the value of n? So if the value of the resistors are equal, so that would be 4K, and 4K is n multiplied by R. So if the value of R is 1K, let me call it 1K. If this is 1K, all the resistors are 1K ohm, so n is n multiplied by 1K. This will cancel out and the value of n will be equal to 4. So the 4 equal in value resistors, which is what, which is 1 kilo ohm given here, are connected in series. Okay, these are here, this and this is 1K, 1K, 1K and 1K. These are connected in series, their values are equal, and the equivalent resistance of them is the summation of all, which is 4k, which satisfies the condition here, and the value of n is 4. Okay, so that's it for today, in which we have seen the solution of question 3.10, which is related to the series resistors. If you guys have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. See you soon.